In this video, I'm going to try and explain what this magic E is and why, in many cases, for words such as this, you say tap, but in this case, where you add this silent E at the end of a word, you would say tape. To begin with, you need to remember what you call these letters, the name of letters in English. Remember, you say A, E, I, O, U. In English, many times you have words such as this one here, cap, where at the end of a word you have a consonant, a vowel, and then another consonant. It might be a longer word, but just have a look at the last bit of the word. And you need to have this consonant, vowel, consonant, and this should be the stressed syllable. The last syllable should be the stressed syllable. So typically, when this happens, this vowel is going to be short. When you say cap, so this is what you have. A short A sound. However, when at the end of the word you have consonant, vowel, consonant, and a silent E letter, such as in cape, consonant, vowel, consonant, and then this E is silent, what happens is that this silent E, even if it is not pronounced, has an effect on the previous vowel, and the result is that instead of saying a cap, you say cape. The effect is that this letter says its name. Magic E, or jumpy E as it is called, especially for children who are learning to read and write, magic E makes the previous vowel say its name. So because this is letter A, you say A, cape. Let me illustrate this with lots of minimal pairs, contrasting words. This is the reason why you say can, but cane, because you're pronouncing the name of a letter, cap and cape, tap, tape, plan, plain, or then in some other words, such as space, make, lame. As you can see, what you have in here, this letter is silent in pronunciation, but in here, you're saying the name of a letter. Space, make, lame, A. When this happens with letter E, so for example, you say pet, but you say beat. You say met, but you say meet. With letter I, you say hid, hide, pin, pine, bit, bite, kit, kite, and din, dine. Magic E is making the previous letter say its name, I. With letter O, you say hop, but hope. You say not, but note. You say slop, but slope. And mop, but mope. And finally, with letter U, typically you say cup, but cube, and hug, but huge. Does this rule apply 100% of the time? I'm sorry to say, no, I can't say that. But it does tend to work. It works quite frequently in very many cases because there are historical reasons behind this. This is not just some magic thing happening. This is the way children can understand it more clearly. But there are some historical reasons dating back to medieval times and then the Renaissance times and modern English to account for this. But as I say, this tends to work.